This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Matt Herrick. Welcome home to this stunning 3-bedroom townhome. Step inside and be greeted by fresh, new flooring that leads you into an updated kitchen featuring modern fixtures and windows. Enjoy the serene views of the woods from your low-maintenance backyard, great for relaxing or entertaining. Ideally situated in a sought-after area with top-rated schools, easy access to interstates, hospitals, entertainment, and shopping. Everything you need is just minutes away. Plus, say goodbye to monthly Property Owners Association fees. Don't miss out on this gem. Call today before it's too late. The 16th of July 2024. For more information, review the details below or contact Matt Herrick.